After 9/11, the CIA launched a secretive program aimed at combating terrorism, but its methods sparked global outrage. Extraordinary rendition and enhanced interrogation became symbols of the War on Terror's darkest chapters. What happened, and what are the consequences? Following the 9/11 attacks, the CIA began extraordinary rendition, a controversial practice of capturing suspected terrorists and transferring them to secret prisons, known as black sites, often in countries with lax human rights laws. These operations were shrouded in secrecy and often bypassed legal protocols. At these clandestine sites, detainees were subjected to enhanced interrogation techniques, including waterboarding, sleep deprivation, and stress positions. These methods were designed to break the will of detainees and extract information. The CIA argued these methods were necessary to extract critical intelligence and prevent future attacks. However, these practices sparked intense debate and criticism regarding their legality and morality. Critics argued that these practices violated international law, including the United Nations Convention Against Torture, which explicitly prohibits any form of cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. Human rights organizations described them as forms of torture, emphasizing the severe physical and psychological harm inflicted on detainees. Reports revealed that many detainees were held without evidence or charges, often based on unreliable information or mistaken identity. In 2014, the Senate Intelligence Committee released a comprehensive report detailing the program's failures, including the fact that enhanced interrogation rarely produced actionable intelligence and often led to false confessions. The revelations fueled public outrage and global condemnation of U.S. practices, sparking widespread debates about the ethics and effectiveness of such methods. The controversial program was officially ended by President Obama in 2009, who not only banned torture but also ordered the closure of CIA black sites, marking a significant shift in U.S. policy. However, its complex legacy continues to shape intense debates on national security, ethics, and accountability in modern times. Some argue these controversial methods were necessary during a time of unprecedented crisis, while others strongly warn against the dangerous erosion of human rights in the name of national security. The CIA's extraordinary rendition and interrogation program highlights the complexities of fighting terrorism in a modern world. What do you think? Can such measures ever be justified? Share your thoughts. Don't forget to hit subscribe to emgotv1 for more revealing stories from history and power.